Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, a thin border collection, a very beautiful color combination, different combo here, a pista green and light olive green mixed color with beautiful gold jari work, and we have the same color pallu, mild yellow tinge which is very beautiful, a pastel color, and here we have the body in a very different color again, green and brown mixed color, green in a different shade. You can see the buttas are done using gold and silver jari alternatively. The gold jari border in both sides, 1 inch, which is making the saree really beautiful with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, a very beautiful border butta collection, very different type border. Here we have a very excellent combination, really attractive and very exclusive piece. Green pallu, big buttas in the pallu, very decent, beautiful design with gold zari, and we have same color blouse piece with the zari border, only the gold zari border running in the blouse piece, and we have a dark coffee brown color saree, beautiful color, and you can see the butta designs, square shaped buttas that is done very detailedly, horizontal pattern, kanji type butta, very beautiful one with the green border as well as a gold zari border in both sides. Perfect design in a perfect color with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, thin border, beautiful collection, dark and light combo. The pallu is in beautiful pista green and olive mixed color with gold jari work, and same color blouse piece. The complete saree have a thin border, 1 inch border, gold jari work border, and here we have a beautiful navy blue color saree with mild violet tinge. The copper jari and gold jari are used here for butta weaving. Very beautifully it's been done with a 1 inch jari border in both sides of the saree. Excellent combination with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double back, border and butta collection in gold zari work. A very beautiful combination saree here. A violet color saree almost, purple and violet mix, mild pink shade on the purple. Very elegant one with the buttas, very different design buttas, new launch, excellently handcrafted one with 4 inches zari border in both sides of the saree along with a thin border in pallu color, and to that we have a dark ananda blue color combination for the pallu. Pallu have beautiful work with same pallu color blouse piece. Combination is very beautiful, both in dark shade colors with authentic silk. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp, a beautiful border and butta collection in gold zari work, a very elegant blue saree, ananda blue, beautiful color, and we have a very different design buttas in the saree, golden zari used for the butta weaving, and the border weaving, a 3 inches border here, and we have a very contrast green pallu. The pallu is in very beautiful green shade, olive shade with golden zari work all over, rich pallu and plain blouse piece in pallu color. The combination is a beautiful one, an ultimate combo with authentic silk. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp, border and butta collection in gold jari work. A very beautiful color saree, traditional and excellent color combination, ultimate contrast, a violet color, pink and magenta pink, purple mixed color, and we have beautiful gold jari work, big buttas, elegantly handcrafted work with 4 inches jari border in both sides, and we also have a thin green border. The pallu is completely contrast green, very elegant one, perfect exact green with plain blouse piece in pallu color. The borders are running in the blouse piece as well. The combination is beautiful, an ultimate combo with authentic silk. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp, border and butta collection in gold zari work. An excellent pastel color saree here with a beautiful pallu, contrast one, light lavender. Lavender is the most demanded one, very beautiful color. The buttas are also beautifully done using gold jari, completely handcrafted work, and visibly see the work with a 4 inches zari border in both sides of the saree with a thin border in pallu color, and pallu is a dual tone here, bright orange mixed with mild pink. Orange is prominent, and you can see the zigzag design vertically done in the gold zari with plain blouse piece. The combination is very pretty, beautiful color for the pastel lovers with authentic silk. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp, a border and butta collection. Very beautiful dark color combination here. a bottle green, dark green mixed with black to get a beautiful dark bottle green color, the traditional ever demanded color with beautiful peacock design buttas, completely handcrafted, beautiful saree here with a 3-inch zari border here. We have a thin border in pallu color. Pallu is Ananda blue, dark Ananda blue with very elegant peacock design in the pallu also. Gold zari used for the weaving, and we have pallu color plain blouses. The combination is different. Excellent combo with authentic silk. Pure Kanjivaram soft silk saree, double warp, border and butta collection in gold zari work. The beautiful color combo here, pink shade, dark pink, very elegant pink color with golden zari buttas. The buttas are very traditional with 4 inches gold zari border in both sides of the saree, and we have a very contrast dark Ananda blue color pallu. The pallu also have here the mango design gold zari work, a rich pallu with plain blouse piece in pallu color. Blouse piece also have the zari borders, a tissue border type with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanjivaram soft silk saree, double warp. A very beautiful collection, border and butta, elegant one, completely handcrafted, alluring combination colors. Here we have a lavender, darker shade lavender color, almost a purplish lavender it is, with a very beautiful handcrafted buttas, completely gold zari is used here, with gold zari border, a 4-inch border in both sides, with pink border in pallu color. Pallu is a dark Ananda blue, excellent design in the pallu also, gold zari is used. Pallu color plain blouse piece. The combination is very different, exclusive one with authentic silk. Pure Kanjivaram soft silk saree, double warp. A very beautiful border and butta collection in gold zari work. Elegant combination here. Light radiant green color, excellent color with a very beautiful buttas, gold zari buttas, completely handcrafted with a 4 inches zari border in both sides of the saree with a thin border in pallu color, and pallu is a dark brown color, maroonish brown with beautiful mango design, completely done using gold zari, and we have pallu color plain blouse piece in zari also. Combination is pretty with authentic silk. Pure Kanjivaram soft silk saree, double warp, a border and butta collection in gold zari work. Here we have a beautiful rust color saree, rusty orange with a mild gold tinge, very elegant one with golden zari buttas, traditional Kanji design buttas, and we have a 4 inches border. Thin border in pallu color is also given in the saree, completely hand woven, very elegant collection with dark Prussian blue color, almost a navy blue tinge pallu with beautiful work in the pallu that is also done using the golden zari, and we have pallu color plain blouse piece. Excellent concept, beautiful saree. The combination is literally beautiful with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanjivaram soft silk saree, double warp, border and butta collection in gold zari work. A very elegant combination color here, a bright and attractive combo. A red saree, mild orange mix red it is, a tomato red color with very elegant buttas, a trendy type buttas waved using golden zari, and we have 4 inches zari border in both sides of the saree with a thin border in pallu color, and we have a beautiful and contrast pallu, a royal blue color with same the butta design running in the pallu also using golden zari, and we have plain blouse piece in pallu color. Combination is an attractive combo with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanjivaram soft silk saree, double warp, border and butta collection with very elegant combination colors. Here we have a very different combo, light blue, almost a copper sulphate blue color without green mix, and we have elegant buttas, excellently handcrafted design, and we can 4 inches zari border is also given the same golden zari, and we have thin border in pallu color. Pallu is a very different color here, a pastel shade, ultimate contrast combination, a peachy pink color, mild peach and pink mixed shade with golden zari work, rich pallu and plain blouse piece in pallu color. Combination is a very different one, rare combo with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanjivaram soft silk saree, double warp, a border and butta collection in gold zari work. Very beautiful combination colors. Here we have a dual tone color, blue mixed with mild green. Green is very mildly visible, almost blue with very elegant light green tint. And we have a very beautiful buttas, border butta design. Gold zari used for the buttas also. And we have a 4 inches zari border in both sides of the saree along with a thin border in pallu color. And pallu is a very beautiful maroon here, brownish maroon with beautiful work in the pallu design, and we have same pallu color blouse piece. The combination is beautiful, excellent traditional combination with authentic silk work. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, a double border design, beautiful sarees in golden zari work. We have a contrast pallu here, very elegant contrast pallu, dual tone color, orange and pink mix color, and you can see the beautiful big design buttas in the pallu with same color blouse piece. Contrast one for the body. The body is a beautiful mild violet tinge royal blue color, very elegant one with round shaped buttas done using golden zari, and we have a dual color border, one in gold zari and one in the pallu color. Excellent and beautiful concept saree with authentic silk. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, thin border collection with very beautiful combination colors. Here we have a light pista green color pallu, very elegant design in the pallu, closely weaved gold zari work, and we have same color blouse piece. The whole saree and the pallu have a half-inch zari border that is done using gold zari again. And here we have a very different green saree with silver and gold zari work buttas, beautifully done. Two different shades of green in the saree with authentic silk. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, a beautiful collection, border and butta design in a very elegant combination colors. Here we have a beautiful green saree, green pallu, big butta design in the pallu, very elegant gold zari work, and the design is given in a mango shape, floral, excellent green shade color, and same green is the blouse piece with the zari borders next to the border line. And here we have a very beautiful magenta pink saree, excellent butta design, square shape, and inside the details you can see it's a horizontally done, excellent kanji type butta design with green borders as well as a gold zari border. Beautiful combination, traditional and ever lovable combination with authentic silk work. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, a thin border collection, the alluring combination colors. Here we have a beautiful navy blue color pallu with gold zari work, closely weaved grand pallu. Same color blouse piece with thin border, a half-inch zari border all over the saree in gold zari. And we have a beautiful half-white color, almost a duster color, mild gold tinge half-white color. And you can see the buttas are in silver and gold alternatively. Very beautifully it's been done with authentic silk. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double arc, beautiful horizontal mild stripes pattern sarees with a beautiful and pastel design pallu, greenish yellow color mixed with the violet to get a beautiful color for the pallu and blouse piece. Pallu is in gold zari work. The saree have a beautiful light lavender color, trendy color with buttas in gold zari, diamond shaped buttas. The pallu color border is also given in the lower part, lower border. It's 8 inches and with butta design in gold zari. Excellent combo with authentic silk. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double work. Very beautiful new collection. The beautiful Tana border in the lower half. The top have a borderless concept. A beautiful pastel shade, pastel green color saree with diamond shaped buttas, completely done in gold zari. The lower half we have a beautiful blue border, the pallu color border, Tana border with big buttas done in gold zari again. Very pretty one. The combination is also very beautiful. We have a same dual shade color pallu. Blue is mixed with the pastel green to get a mild shade of blue in the pallu. Excellent zari work in the pallu, and we have plain blouses. Very beautiful concept with authentic silk. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, a thin border collection, beautiful color combos. Here we have a beautiful pallu, a deep blue color pallu with gold zari work, very elegant, simple work with same color blouse piece. The complete saree have a 1-inch zari border done using gold zari. And here we have a beautiful creamy tussar color, tussar half white with beautiful silver and gold zari worked buttas. Buttas are very beautiful. Excellent weaving. The color combo is very pretty with authentic silk. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, a thin border collection, very beautiful and alluring combos. Elegant combination saree here. The pista green with mild half white mix, a very different color, green shade, light green shade color pallu with very pretty work in the pallu, fully gold jari work, very grand pallu. Same color blouse piece. The blouse piece also have the thin border, that is the gold jari border, the whole saree has it, with a very elegant green body, light green mixed with mild yellow shade. It's a very different, very beautiful green color, gold shade on it. You see, dual tone with 3D type triangle design buttas done using gold and copper jari, original copper used for the weaving copper jari work. An excellent one with jari border, and the saree comes with authentic silk mark certificate.